Hello and welcome to Tooltime TV. I'm Glyn. On this video, before I start my restorations and my reviews, I'm going to clear all my worktops off, give them a sand down, and I give them protection. I've not got around to doing it. Give them protection. This Polyvine that I've got. Before I start doing any kind of serious work on it, I need to get them protected. So I thought I'd do a video of that. So yeah, stay tuned in. I'll be right back. So I need to get all this area cleaned off. Find somewhere for all these. I put a video out actually this morning about all this stuff here. So I need to clear all this off. It's all this that I need to protect. It's just plywood. It's just no protection at all. And I've done some work on it and it's starting to get a bit stained, but I've got some stuff I'm going to use. So I need to clear all this off. All that up there, I'm actually going to use some of this. So, I've used this before. It's a heavy duty extreme varnish, interior and exterior. It's Polyvine. Put 2 coats of that on, and then I'll be good to go. So, I'll be right back. Right, I've got one section cleaned off. Again, they're clicking, it's just my diesel heater. Pretty cold today. It's too hot. So I'm just going to give this a clean off. A bit of a sand. And get some of this finish. Got a better sander, that one wasn't working very well, so I've got my Makita power sander out. This one's a lot better. With these whites. So when I got this video, when I got this workshop built, I didn't know I was going to try and do a YouTube channel. I wish you started recording when I had the when I was building it. Would have been a lot better, wouldn't it? Let's give this a squeeze out. Right. So because I'm using water-based varnish, I'm just giving my over the back here. Quite light. Mixed up. Video this. Video doing this bench. I'll do the same to the other one. But I don't need to video that, I think you get the idea. But really what I do is just show you the stuff that I'm going to use. It's good stuff, it really is. Right, so all that's greased, all clean. So like I say, I'm using this Polyvine. Real good stuff. I've used it before. I'm just going to let this dry. While all this is drying, I can head to the other bench. Right, so because it's the first coat, it says you can add 10% water to it because it's just going to be porous, this, and it just soak it right up. So that's what I'm going to do. So let's just give it a shake. See, that says you're not supposed to shake it. Well, I'll give it a stir once in there, won't I? It'll go quite far, this, I should imagine. So, I have used it before. I should have done this when I got the benches made, but to be honest with you, I just didn't think. A little bit of 10% of water. 10%. Stir. Like I say, I've used this before. It's real good stuff. It's interior and exterior. It dries like satin. A real nice kind of just a slight glaze to it. I'll go around the edges first, and then I'll roll it on. It says 1 to 2 hours between coats. It needs 3 coats, so I'll keep the heater on. I'll give it a coat. I'll press pause. Come back, show you another coat. I don't need to show you all 3, and then see what it looks like before and after. If it makes any difference, I know it'll make it a lot more, it'll be more protected. So just go around the edges here. I need to learn how to speed it. Video, maybe I might be able to get the to start editing stuff properly soon, and just getting used to it all. So bear with me. I know you can't really see what we're doing here, but as I get along there, you'll see. Let's see if I can hold the camera. Tripod. Probably just better like that at the moment. So I'm just going to give it a real good coat all the way around. Get the idea, don't you? Put a bit on there, eh? And then yeah, I should have done this when I got it first made, but I just didn't think, to be honest. Now let me put it back on the tripod. Right, give it a right nice thick coat. It's making the wood grain pop out. Because it's wet, basically. It's important to just try and get it even. With. You don't realise how much stuff you've got until you start emptying your benches off, and then you realise you've got nowhere else for everything to go. So we have to get a little bit more organised in here. is just like a rad roller, medium pile. All you need. Go with the grain, go against the grain, so it's right in there. What I'll do when I finish this video, I'll put the stuff I'm using here in the description. In the so you know, well, you know what it is, a shot on camera, isn't it? You want to get some good stuff, like I say. Let's get the front there. It's cold today, so I've got the heater on. And like I said, I'll do a review on that heater I've got. It's brilliant. Yeah, so those diesel heaters, they're good there. We make Phil from Phil's Van Life Tours. Actually, he's got one in his motorhome, so we give him the idea to get one for here actually. So thanks, Phil. Good on you, mate. Phil's Van Life Tours. That's what he's doing. He has a YouTube channel. He just goes around in his motorhome. Full time is motorhome. Right, so this is the first coat. Like I say, I'll give it an hour. I'll keep the heater on, it should be dry. Give it a second coat. I just thought I'd video it because I don't want big gaps before I can get any more videos out, before I can start doing the proper stuff, which will be restorations and reviews and stuff. So I just thought I'd fill it up with this. If it's see how it goes. Keeps me busy and keeps the videos going out. Even though I haven't been doing much about it. Yeah, lay it off like that. Right, I'm going to do the other bench, but I don't need to video that, so I'll be back in a short while. Right, they both had one coat. I hope the lighting's alright, you can see it's loads better. Soaked it right in. So, I'll go and have a brew. Give it an hour or so, and then come back and give it another coat. See you shortly. Right, okay, so this one's had a coat. That's looking a lot better. And back over to this one now. We'll give this another coat. And so it looks after that. So this one's not getting mortared down. This is just neat now. Probably won't need as much because it's all soaked in the other stuff. So let's get this second coat on. Straightforward again, around the edges. And then what I'll probably do is I'll probably give it 3 coats. So this is the second coat. I'll give it 3 coats, but I won't record the last coat. And I'll just record a bit of this one because basically, you know, seen it before, it's straightforward. Straightforward varnishing. Around the edges, you could say. And what we'll do is, once I give it the last coat, so the first coat on this coat, I had to wait a bit longer than I thought really, because it's cold, isn't it? We're in February, it's cold, so it said 1 to 2 hours, and even though I had the heater on in here, it was like more or less 3 hours. So I'm back in now with a second coat. I'll probably leave this now until tomorrow. Time's getting on, unless you have time for another coat later on this evening. This is the second coat, and fucking loads better, aren't they? So once the second coat's done, this isn't taking long. The second coat's a lot quicker because it doesn't soak in as much. It's so easy to apply this. What I'll do is finish this off. I'm going to take, I'll show you the finished, after the third coat I'll show you the finished. You'll see the difference. The thing with water bases, you've got to be quite quick with it because it does dry fast. Whilst you're using it, if you know what I mean. There you go, second coat done. And I'll show you what it looks like after I've done the third coat. So, we'll do a bit later. Just going on now with a third coat. I'm trying to get a bit of a close up for you so you can see what it's looking like. Goes on a little bit white, but then it just dries clear. Probably why they say stir it, not shake it. So now we can get some serious content on the YouTube channels now. These are all done. I only just had enough. Only just had enough. I can put that. Why not? Places. Only on the last bit here anyway, so. A little bit out. So there we go. So I'll have 3 coats. Just give a quick lay off like that. There you go. That's had 3 coats over there as well. Boom boom, all done. Now it's time to put all this back. What a mess. Like and subscribe. See you all again.